Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Royal Family Couple Style Each Other Thrift Store. Let's get into it.
She has 3 bags.
Girls donate more, guys don't.
This is one.
Okay, just tell me try it on.
What's up, Royal Family?
We are back with another video.
We are back.
Oh, it's so good seeing them. Oh my gosh, it feels like it's been forever, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Back with another video.
We've been gone for a little minute, you know what I'm saying? You know we like to take our little breaks, but we are back. The weather's beautiful outside. I feel like it's no better time to come back.
So peaceful right
you know what I'm saying? But as you can already see from the title, we are coming back with a video that you guys really enjoyed and asked for again, but we never did it again. I have no idea why. But today we'll be styling each other in a thrift store.
Yeah, in a thrift store. We did Target last time,
yes.
Under $100. But today, as you're gonna see, we're going to the Goodwill today. I'm actually really excited because I used to shop in thrift stores. I don't know about you, but
I've shopped in thrift stores.
I used to shop in thrift
There's
stores.
not mad people shop in thrift stores.
Yeah, it's nothing wrong with shopping in a thrift store, but I don't know why. Like, I haven't done it since I was really in high school. So you can find some good stuff in a thrift store, but we're gonna be styling each other.
Styling each other with thrift clothes. Are there any rules? Do you want to set any rules right now?
Honestly, I don't think it should be no rules because in Target we have to do $100.
All right, so the rules is just find the outfit, head to toe, shoes.
Yes, shoes too.
Head to toe, have to find the outfit. I want to say, should we put a timer on it, like 20 minutes? We got 20
Yeah,
minutes?
we could do like 20 minutes.
Okay, like 20 minutes. We're gonna start a little timer when we get in there. Before we get into this video, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you leave a comment.
Y'all smash our like button.
Make sure you subscribe. You know what I'm saying? You know when we start dropping videos, they just start coming.
Rolling out.
They just start coming. So make sure your notifications on so you know every time we drop. You know what I'm saying? But let's get it. Stay tuned.
All right, y'all. So right now I'm in the shoe section, the men's shoe section. This is just the beginning of the store. I'm not gonna start here though because I want to find the outfit first. We're gonna go like street wears, like vintagey, you know. There's a lot of dress shoes over here. I'm gonna see if they have some tennis shoes later on. But the music is busting, so I'm gonna try to do short clips.
Yeah, so they got the music busting right now. So I'm gonna have to do short clips, but we're here now. We're in the denim section. I think we're gonna find Queen some jeans real quick. Maybe go with like an old vintage kind of style, like when Baby Fat was popping. You know what I'm saying? I might do like a little Baby Fat look. How you doing? Little throwback, little hoop earrings, you know what I'm saying? But stay tuned, we're now look, this is the denim section. We have so many clothes here. Literally. So many clothes. We got American Eagle.
This is the men's section. Let's see what they got. So right now, y'all,
Gotta get him some shorts. He loves shorts.
I'm over here by shorts. Y'all know Clarence loves shorts. So babe, why are you in my section? This is the men's section. He said the music busting. Every store probably gonna have music. Right. These are an easy pick, y'all. Medium, his size. Easily put it with something else.
So far I picked up this little floral. Kind of like this. I just don't know how I'm gonna put together an outfit with it. You know what I'm saying? Because this is an outfit. Like women is hard. Like they could just wear this and go outside. Man, you need a shirt, jacket, hat. So this is all I got so far. But I might put this back if I find something.
Get her a nice little sweater or a jacket.
But stay tuned.
So y'all, it's really hard to find shirts here that he will wear, but I did find this like nice collar jacket. Still looking though. Not going well.
Yeah, so I found these jean shorts. Might be able to put the use over the cheetah dress, because I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Also found these like black see-through kind of shirts. And this tee right here, heart with an arrow going through it. You probably possibly do something with that. That shirt and this possibly goes in the accessories I found. Jean shorts, probably go a little sexier. Last time I gave her the office look, that's what I'm trying to get a little sexier. I'm finding it to be a little hard, but
Clarence is staring at me from across the store like we just met or something. As y'all can see, I have a bunch of options. Like for shirts, I even got some hats in there. Some of those hats have like school names and stuff on it, but we're gonna make it work. Now I have to go find sneakers, y'all. This is gonna be probably the hardest thing. I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna be very hard to find shoes.
You think she gonna be able to find him some shoes?
From here, look at the options, y'all.
Alright, y'all. How y'all feel about these shoes? That's a good question. These are the best shoes I feel.
Ugly. She gonna fall and bust her butt, Claire.
Unless I have Queen look like she is in the Lucky Charms box.
I need to ask you something, babe. I'm not gonna look at what you got in the basket, but I need to ask you if we can do something for the rules for me, because there's absolutely no shoes over there for you. So can I
No, there's no shoes for you either.
Can we pick shoes at home to match with the outfits?
No.
Clarence, there's no shoes over there for you. What am I supposed to do?
She's trying to make up her
Find the shoes you can find, girl. He got you some ugly shoes.
rules right now. Nah, that's not how we did it the first time. You gotta get me some shoes.
There's no shoes for you, like, that you would wear.
Gotta find some clothes that work.
Bruh, I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
You're trying to cheat.
He won't let me forfeit the rules for shoes.
Always trying to cheat.
She's so nervous. You so particular about your shoes, Claire. Leave Queen alone. You the hard to shop for.
I don't know what to do.
She always trying to find a way to win, you know what I mean? I feel like that's why I always win though. Can't do too much. Oh, there's stuff back here too. Let's go back here, yeah.
I literally don't know what to do, because these are probably the best looking shoes here, but they're like probably a size 14, and Clarence is not that. These are size 20. What the hell? Oh no, that's 20 centimeters. These are so old I can't even see the sign. So I got these, and there you go. Like, these are the nicest things. Those are a little bit more dirtier, but those probably match more.
It's funny how at the same time Queen asked for the shoes, I was showing y'all the shoes because, bro, there is no shoes. That's the hardest thing to find. These are the best ones I done found right here. I'm not gonna lie. But I think
Y'all make me want to donate some shoes.
yeah, somewhere, yeah. I thought it was gonna be way harder than it was, but we are getting somewhere. I need some glasses, some sunglasses to finish this outfit off. Maybe I could use some sunglasses from home.
Can we pick shoes at home to match with the outfits?
No, maybe I could use some sunglasses from home. That's not like shoes, you know? Bruh. Right now, comment who y'all think gonna win, honestly. I feel like I won the last one. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know if I did or not. Yeah, I know me.
I think Claire gonna win because he not gonna like what Queen got.
Yeah, I know I have to go all out. I gotta go get the jewelry too. That's for sure. I don't know what to get though. So, are you done?
No, babe.
I'm not gonna look.
Although I don't know if them shorts gonna fit though.
What are you doing?
I'm done.
Go over there.
I just finished.
Okay, we'll go cash out.
Okay. Alright, yeah, so I feel like I'm done. See you at the crib.
Alright, y'all, so I am in line now, and I have actually a few outfits put together. I'm gonna just buy them all because at home I can figure out which one I'm gonna give him.
See, that's smart. Okay, I'm changing my vote. I think Queen gonna win because this the thing to do, to buy multiple outfits and then just give him one so you can mix and match and think about it. But he just that one thing. I don't know about that. Hold on, now I messed up, y'all.
Some glasses, some sunglasses to finish this outfit off. Maybe I could use some sunglasses from home.
Can we pick shoes at home to match with the outfits?
No, maybe I could use some sunglasses from home. That's not like shoes, you know? Bruh. Right now, comment who y'all think gonna win, honestly. I feel like I won the last one. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know if I did or not. Yeah, I know me. I know I have to go all out.
Vote for Queen now.
I gotta go get the jewelry too. That's for sure. I don't know what to get though. So, are you done?
No, babe.
I'm not gonna look.
What are you doing?
I'm done.
Go over there.
I just finished.
Okay, we'll go cash out.
Okay. Alright, yeah, so I feel like I'm done. See you at the crib.
Alright, y'all, so I am in line now, and I have actually a few outfits put together. I'm gonna just buy them all because at home I can figure out which one I'm gonna give him, but he's outside right now.
As you can see, this is how much Queen's outfit costs.
I made him go outside.
I rounded up. They got something in there called round up. Round up to the nearest dollar. That's how much Queen's outfit costs today, $33.
There's Clarence outside right now vlogging.
We're about to see how it turns out. Queen just kicked me out the store because she's paying for her stuff.
But I made him go out.
But she's checking out now. I don't know if you guys can see her, but she's in there panicking. Yeah, but I hope y'all miss us on YouTube because we are back, man. It feels so good to do some.
I know. I'm glad you feel better. I'm glad y'all back. Y'all both looking nice and smiling and happy. We love it.
Videos, man. I feel like a little kid again, bro. We fucking. Oh, sorry. This family channel. We're bleep lit. We're lit. Yeah, we need some food, bro. I'm not gonna lie, Pizza Hut sound dumb good right now. Maybe it's just because I'm looking at it, but yeah, I can't wait for y'all to see these outfits. I'm very curious on what Queen is about to have me put on. Do y'all remember what Queen had me in the first time we styled each other? She had me looking like a youth pastor or something. I don't know what kind of time she was on, but hope y'all looking forward to this.
You look like a youth pastor. or like the faculty sponsor of your organization or something.
Let's go.
Ready? Because, babe, because I had to have options.
Why did she have 3 bags, 2 bags?
Babe, because I had to have options.
I bought 1 out.
See? She only had to give you one. See? That's the rules.
No, I know, babe, but it's very hard. I'm going to donate the rest to Goodwill.
You just bought it from Goodwill.
I know, I'm going to donate it back. I just had to have options.
You went shopping. I didn't tell you to go shopping.
Babe, I need to have options because it's a lot easier for a guy to pick some for a girl. Because girls donate more, guys don't. So it was very hard.
Bro, there's like 3 pair of shoes in there. She talking about there wasn't a lot of options. You got 4 options in your bag right now.
Leave me alone. This is a challenge.
That thing dangin'. All right, y'all, so now we're in the car.
About to get something to eat and then go home.
We both finished, you know what I'm saying, a little challenge. Yo, let me know how y'all feel about my curls. You know what I'm saying? I got curls now.
I love the
I can't really see it, but
I think you should keep them.
I think about it. But tell me what the lady said.
The cashier in the line said that because I told her what I was doing because I had so many clothes, and she was like, she thinks that he's gonna win because she thought the outfit was very cute. So, no, let's just say this. I'm gonna just say this. It's always easier to find a girl's. Yes, it is. It's even baby girls.
You know, Go ahead.
Listen. It's always easier to find girl stuff because.
That's why I like Queen. She was so loose like me. She gonna come up with like, this is why I lost before I actually did. It is easier.
Girls can really do anything. Guys, they have really plain stuff. You have to really put something together and piece it together to make it look nice. Like, that wasn't fair. And you ain't have no shoes. Like, no shoes. Those don't fit you. They a size up. The size 11.
So you about to have even.
They had no.
So why did you buy multiple pairs of shoes?
Babe, because I had to have 2 different options. I have options in my head. Let's just.
No, but that's not fair. You're supposed to buy one. So if I try on one outfit and it don't work, you're gonna put on another outfit?
No. You can go in your room. I go in mine. I pick the final outfit I'm gonna give you.
Okay. I won last time, right? Correct.
I don't know who won.
Yeah, I did. They voted for me, babe. You had me looking like a youth pastor.
There's nothing wrong with that.
It's not. I'm just saying that's not a good look for me.
Babe,
though.
we did a date. We did date nights. This is just, I just did like the weather now. Like.
Yeah, me too.
You did?
Yeah. Let's go! All right, y'all, we're home.
We're home.
It's time. Where's my clothes?
Go get your Goodwill bag. I got my goodie bag, y'all. I had a lot of outfits to pick from. I really want him to see the other outfits after this, but this is the one that I chose. This is the one that's a part of the competition. Like I said, it was very hard to find shoes. All right, so we're both gonna do it.
See those, the blue New Balance shoes? I think those are good.
At the same time. No, you said the same time.
No, how we did it last time was I dressed you first and then you dressed me.
All right, so I'll put my bag to the side.
But not you go first this time. Let's go. I think we get rock, paper, scissors. Come on.
No, you go. Come on, I want to go first.
Let's do it. Rock, paper, scissors.
No.
Real quick, come on.
No. You.
Best of 3. Game out of 3.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Boom. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Hold up.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
See, Claire always win that. I don't know why, but that's why he wanted to do it, because he wanted to win and have her go first. Just let her be the first one and you go first.
No, right?
I miss them being funny and silly.
No, babe.
Yeah.
Babe, no.
Yeah.
No.
Come on, hurry up.
Oh my God.
I like that little dress he had. I think that's going to be cute.
Take off your hat and your stuff. Take off your shirt and your stuff. All right, y'all. Now, like I said, it was very hard. Now, spring is here. Well, it's almost spring, so I chose spring color items. I feel like if Clarence was a thrift store shopper, he would wear this. So,
We about to see.
I could be wrong. All right, so what we're gonna do now is take off your shirt. They was a little janky on the sizes, so this shirt might be a little small. So first, what I have is this shirt. This is like a teal color shirt. Try it.
That's what I was talking about, like with the shorts and stuff. Like even his and her shorts, like they be sometime on the odd sizes because they get them donated and stuff. You know, so we gonna see.
True. It says tried and true on it. On the back, it has a fish.
Do I need a tank top?
You could do a tank top if you want, or it's just, you know, we're gonna take the tag off. And Hopefully it fits you. I have other shirts in there that are larges, but this is the outfit that I want to choose, so hopefully it fits you.
Oh, this is turning like it's like a boy.
Oh my God. Babe, that's hard.
It's big?
Yes. It's like a big nipple.
You know Claire gonna be all worried about it. Don't get him started.
You got a nipple on.
I hope he okay, but don't call it no nipple though.
That side. Claire's got a nipple.
Needs to be popped.
Yeah, you need to go to Dr. Pimple. Okay, put this shirt on. Is it really small?
Yeah, this is...
Hopefully it fits him. It's medium. Oh. Maybe I need to choose a different... I can't choose a different shirt because that's the one that goes with the outfit. It is a little bit small on him,
so
right?
As you guys can see, it's a little...
Put this jacket on. This jacket is a large, so that is a white windbreaker. Oh man, stop laughing.
I like the blue, aquamarine, whatever color that is, teal. I don't know what color. Y'all help me out with these colors. I like that with the white though. That's nice.
I really stop it, babe. It's just because the shirt is not that big. I have another shirt.
Man, the shirt has nothing to do with it. Like, what is the colors you got going on here?
Okay, put this hat on. Stop, babe. We gotta put it together. Trust the process. This is an Adidas hat, by the way.
Alright, can we do the hat last?
Okay.
Can we do that last, please?
Here's some shorts. Babe, stop.
You need some more color in your life, Claire. I like that color on him.
Put it on. Listen, this is thrift store stuff, right? Take off your socks. And
I feel like King Richard.
I
have to put socks. I have
you
my
said
own
from
socks.
head to toe. No.
No, I have my own socks.
No, put the socks
I am
on.
not putting nobody else's socks on.
Put the
I'm
socks
not
on.
putting those socks
Put it on.
I don't like those socks.
Babe.
See, that sounds so familiar. That sounds so familiar, y'all, about the socks. Don't play with the socks. Leave your socks alone.
I have white socks on.
I bought socks. He said from head to toe, everything.
No,
Even the shoes.
I said the
Take
shoes.
the socks off. Take the socks off.
Hey, I'm
Claire gonna forfeit over them socks.
not putting those on.
Hey.
Somebody else's toes was in there.
This is your toes, head to toe. Head to toe, baby.
They wash them, Claire.
I have socks, though. Let me get
Y'all, he's cheating. He definitely said everything from the store. Not your own socks.
socks, though? That's like buying me
Nope. You lucky she didn't buy you no drawers.
drawers in there. Tell me to put the drawers
You
on.
said everything in there. We can do the head last. These are the shoes that I found Clarence, and this is honestly why I chose the outfit because the shoes. These are New Balances.
Oh, nah.
Babe, chill out. I have a whole other outfit.
Babe, I feel like King Richard.
What's that?
You don't remember that tennis movie we watched?
Oh,
Serena
yeah.
Williams'
No, but
father?
that's what I said. I said I was going vintage, like spring vintage. And you look very vintage.
Vintage? This is not vintage.
That is vintage.
Nothing wrong with King Richard. You a daddy. Who knows? Legend could be playing sports or something.
What?
It's like you a track star. He's a runner. He's a track star. Yes, y'all. He's a track star. I really thought it would look better on camera. I mean, it's just a camera. The camera's not doing justice, y'all. Well, at least they knew, but he loved New Balances. I could have got you church shoes. Here, you're gonna put this hat on. Oh, you don't look bad.
I really do. I think you look good, Claire.
You look bad. And you love short. Listen, he loves short shorts. These are.
Thank you, Queen. I think she won because he do love short shorts, and they're the shortest ones you gonna find in the thrift store, and they loose enough, you know. I think she did good. I give her an A.
Honestly, the shortest shorts that I got. If it was bigger, it would look better.
It's not.
Can I get another shirt? That's the only shirt that I can find to match that.
Yeah, there's no other shirt. What other shirt you gonna get that matches? It's not horrible, but it's like.
It's not.
When would I wear
this?
this?
I think that if you was King Richard, you'll wear it.
Maybe if I had 4 girls and I was training them to be a superstar athlete.
I did good for a thrift store. Okay, and Clarence only wears shorts. Shorts.
You did. Shorts? Who wears? No.
So right now I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying, make sure you rate this 1 through 10.
Can I take a picture of you? I'm gonna take a picture.
I give her a 10. I really do. I like it. I don't know what he tripping about.
Babe, stop. Come here. I have other outfits that I would like him to see. I'll bring them in after I try my outfit on.
Alright, so it's your turn. I can take this off.
No, keep going.
The only thing I'm feeling here is the shorts.
Right. That's why I wanted to get the shorts though, because the shorts match the shoes. And I really couldn't do, I had to put it together. There was not much in there for men. It wasn't much in there for men. Yes.
Feel uncomfortable.
It's okay. You can take a shower afterwards.
So let's go. Make sure you guys rate my outfit out of 10.
It's not
What
bad.
do you guys rate this out of 10? Start off. You're gonna have to take those things off.
What things?
You're gonna have to.
These are soccer mom vibes, but.
You have to get those on.
Okay. Let's take them off.
Little jean shorts.
Yeah, the jean shorts are good.
These are the jean shorts I have on, which they're not a bad fit, but my waist is a little small, and I guess that's cold.
Got you a Banana Republic tank top.
Ooh, super cute.
Yeah, I'm gonna win this.
Babe, stop. I have more clothes though.
No,
I have options.
it's only one outfit.
No, I know. This is the outfit in the contest, but I still want you to see the other ones. All right.
All right, so it's like a little white tank. You know, I went real summer day. Maybe, you know what I'm saying? Maybe a little strawberry dash.
See, look, he know how to talk up his clothes too, because he is stylish, you know? So he'd be like, and now Queen wearing Banana Republic.
You know what I mean? Out with your girls.
But it's easier to style a girl. No, yes it is.
Don't do me like that.
Be honest. Ain't it easier to
Come
style
on,
a girl?
Let me just style you.
Oh my
Let me
goodness.
just style you.
Here, come to the side. Come to the side.
Alright, she has this shirt under, so it's kind of like it's fake getting in the way. It's okay though.
What shirt? I don't have a shirt under here.
This. What is this?
That goes with the shirt.
Oh, that's a part of it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Okay. So, how you feeling it? How you feeling
It
it?
feels fine. I might even keep this outfit. Okay. A belt.
Yeah.
You want to show them the belt?
Yeah, it's like one of them old school, I don't even know how to explain it, belts.
When you get beat with, when your mama get mad, and I'm like,
Reversible joints. I had one of these as a kid too.
So this is something that you would like to see me in.
If we were shopping in a thrift store.
Right. It's very hard. I have a lot of options.
It was. I'm not
It
gonna
was
lie.
super
It was
hard.
very hard. Alright. So that's the belt.
But the belt's not gonna show.
It doesn't have to. I just thought the shorts was not gonna fit. Also got you some accessories.
See, guys don't have accessories. I couldn't find glasses.
Don't do that. They had a whole section. They
They didn't. Not for men. Honest to God, they didn't.
It's okay, man.
Man.
Just accept it.
No, I'm not accepting anything.
Little white. This is bust down. Frank Mueller. Show them the drip. Drip right
We
there.
got a bust down Vernier. Bust down Vernier.
Got like a little pearl bracelet here. You gotta take them socks off.
What shoes you got? I'm so annoyed. Okay, what are these? Oh, those are cute.
Slippers. Let me show them. I found these. These are the best ones I could find in the whole entire store. So, you know what I'm saying, hopefully they fit.
They fit perfect. Stop, Claire. Because I can't put you on some damn flip-flops. Okay. So is this how you want me to dress?
No, babe. This is the best I could do in 30 minutes.
That's the best I could do in 30 minutes too.
Are you serious?
And I bought more outfits for you. You only got me one. Hi ho.
What you think?
I think that this is cute.
Look in the mirror though. Let them rate your shit. You know,
You
give them
got
a little
it.
spin.
Let me give y'all. Hold on. Sorry. So these are my flip flops. This is a nice summer day outfit. We got the black and white with the blue jeans. Hidey ho hat. We got the accessories. You You gotta model mine too, babe. Let's model together.
Alright, so this is how we would be walking into a restaurant right now if we styled each other.
Come on, let's do it.
Alright, I see the editing. Yes, with the color change. Yes, sir. Ow.
Oh, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Yellow.
What y'all think? Make sure y'all comment both outfits.
Wait, babe, can I please bring the other stuff, please? I got options. Alright, y'all, I have options. So,
Babe,
those shorts.
did you go shopping?
Nothing goes with those shorts.
Are you serious? You just
This
went
shirt.
shopping.
This shirt could have went with it, but it's too colorful because it got like blue in it. So, no.
Bro, she bought about 30 things, bro.
Put these black shorts on.
Babe, I'm not trying to.
Put it on.
This is one.
It's not in the, babe, it's not in the thing.
That's
Just try
one
to,
outfit.
babe,
You mad. Put the outfit on, bruh.
it's not in the, okay, that's
Because then
fine.
they're going to try to be like, oh,
No,
that
they're
outfit
not.
was
No, they're not. Babe, put it on. Not all of it. Just please.
all this man's clothes.
Babe, just put on the shorts, please. Lord,
For what?
So you can try on the other one.
He said this man. Like you want multiple people donating.
I want to see how you look.
Just said only the shorts.
And one more. No, it's gonna be a shirt. Y'all, just tell me to try it on more.
How are they going to tell me to try it on?
Babe, try it on.
Claire, why you hurt her feelings? She worked so hard. Just put it on. She want to see if it look nice.
You lost.
I'm not trying to say that I didn't lose.
All right, so
I just want to see.
what are we doing here? We
Hey, just put it-
already. No.
This look a little better. No, it don't. Do you think this outfit?
I love it that he did it anyway. So good job, Claire. She always right. Just accept it, right? I like the first outfit better. I don't like that one.
Look better than the blue one?
No.
The blue one look better?
Yeah. This one fits better.
Yeah, the blue one's too small.
This one fits better, but
These shoes with it, but we're not gonna, because these are super dirty, y'all. Look at it. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna end this video out. You tell us in the comments what you think. Clarence feels like he won. I think it's easy. I think it's easy for him to win because
I think Queen won still. I like the outfit she got him.
I won.
he's styling a girl, and the, girls donate more because they care about goodwill and things like that.
I don't like that shirt with them shorts though, Claire. You know, because it's like a bib, you know? So like maybe if he had her tuck it in or something, but it had the shorts, you know? So I think she did a better job.
And they donate cuter stuff, and they know what not to give, and men don't know what to give. So definitely wasn't fair game. So yeah, we're gonna say bye to the vlog, bye to this video, and peace out. Love you guys. See you in the next video. We will just see you in the next video.
Peace out.
Peace out.
All right, like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.